S is equal to square, rectangle, circle, rhombus, triangle, the set is given. List the element of the following set of S. List the element of the following set of the element, that is 6. Question number 1. The set of shapes which have 4 equal sets. Which shapes we have 4 equal sets? Square, rectangle, and then rhombus, right? Which side? Square and rhombus, right? So the set S is equal to square and then rhombus is the set. Remaining sets are not equal sets. Rectangle has the 2 sets are equal, right? Only the 2 sets are equal, right? Set Roman number 2. The set of shape which have radius. In circle only we are using the radius. The set is circle, right? When we drawing a circle, that time only we are using the radius, right? And then the set of shape, third Roman number, the set of shapes in which the sum of all interior angle is 180 degree. Sum of the angle in a triangle only 180 degree, right? So we have triangle, and then square and rectangles are 360 degree, right? And then fourth Roman number, the set of shape which have 5 sides. What are the here? Square, rectangle, these all are square and rectangle. Rhombus we have 4 sides, and then triangle we have 3 sides. They are asking 5 sides, so the set is empty set, right? Either we can use the set notations or pi is the set. Next question number 7. If A is equal to A comma and then inside the bracket A comma B, write all the subsets of A. Right? All the subsets of A means we have to write how many sets. We know the subset formula. 2 power m is the subset formula. How many sets here? A is one set and A comma B is the another set. So 2 sets, right? And then 2 comma 2 we have 4 subsets, right? Let me check one. This is question number 7. A is equal to A comma B. The subset of A is, first every set has the empty set, and then A is the one of the set, and then A comma B is the another set, and then finally A comma B is the another set. So totally we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I already told you the subset means 2 power m is the formula. Here 1 A as A considered as 1 element, A comma B is considered as 1 element. So 2 power 2 is equal to 4 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next question number 8. See that, write down the power set of the following sets, right? Write down the power set of the following set. As what we have done in the subset, the same we have to write here also, but the set should be right within a curly bracket, right? So let's see the power set P of A is equal to, within a curly bracket, first set is the pi. What we have written there before, sum, that is subset, as it is we have written A as the one set and B as the another set, and both that A and B combine together and close the curly bracket. This is the power set. Then Roman number 2 is given as, the set is given as B is equal to 1, 2, 3. How many sets we have? We have 3 sets. 2 power 3 is equal to 8 set we have to write it. So power set of B is equal to, within a curly bracket, first one is pi, another one is 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 1 comma 2, and then 1 comma 3, right, like this. So 1 comma 2 and then 1 comma 3, right, completed. Now you choose the second element 2 comma 3, that is also completed. Now we have to write all the 3, that is 1 comma 2 comma 3, and close the curly bracket. Now count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of our set is 8. And then third Roman number is given as, set D is equal to P, Q, R, S. See how many elements here? 4 elements. So 2 power 4, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 subsets we have to write for this. So P of D is equal to, first I write pi, second I write P, write individually this all the elements, and then I choose this P comma Q, first set and then second set. P comma Q is over. Now P comma R, that is also over. Then P comma S, and then choose the second Q comma R, Q comma R, and Q comma S. See how we have written first pi, and then each and every element should be individual, and then select the first term, right? First with second, first with third, first with fourth. PQ, PR and PS, and omit this and come to the second one, PR and PS, and omit this, and then third, that is R and S. Now 2 times completed. Now we have to write the sets by 3 times, that is PQR is the one of the set. PQR is the one of the set. Now PQS is the another set. See, PQR is the one of the set, and omit this R, PQS, PQS, and then we have to, first we have written PQR, and then we have omitted the QR, and PQS is written. Now we have to omit the set R, right? PQS is completed. Now omit Q, PRS, PRS, right? And then PQR is completed and omitting R, right? PQS is completed and omitting Q, PRS. The first set is over. Now we have to move to the second set, that is QRS, right? That is completed, and then last one is PQRS. Now we count the sets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this is the power set. First you have to write the pi, and then each and every set you have to write individual, and then 2 sets, and then first you write the 3 sets, and select the second one. First when you are selecting the first one, you have to write first all the 3 and omitting one and omitting another one, and then the second term QRS, and then last PQRS is the set. Okay, the last Roman number 8, Roman number 4, E is given as pi. There is no elements, so we have to write power of E set is, that is empty set only. And then before also we can use the empty set. Either you can use the pi symbol or this symbol, curly bracket symbol, right? Last sum we have used the pi symbol for the first set, empty set. You can use this also. Either you can use this or that. So in pi means surely there must be a empty set. Thank you, students.